Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we will be talking about Git and GitHub, like what is Git and what is GitHub and why we should learn this and why it is called the new resume. So there's a lot of things you will be learning in this video, and we are creating this as a playlist so that you will be having a good knowledge of what Git is and how to use Git commands and how to make open source contributions using Git and GitHub. So let's get started. So if you have any doubts or discussions, then you can join the Telegram group. Link is in the description. So let's get started. So if we talk about Git, then you can say Git is a version control system designed to handle projects, whether small or very large, with speed and efficiency. So this is the definition provided by Git. So what Git is, Git provides you version controlling system. For example, while working on different projects, you might have faced problems like a particular file from your project has been deleted and you want to revert back the changes. So there are some changes you have made to add a functionality and you want to revert those changes. So how you will do that? You need to make undo the changes. So Git helps you in that by maintaining the track records of your changes. So this is how Git helps you. Now one more thing, like Git has been created by the creator of Linux. Okay, so this is also again an open source and free product developed by the Linus. Okay, so now let's continue with GitHub. Okay, so if we talk about GitHub, then GitHub is a website which hosts Git repositories. There are a lot of websites rather than GitHub, for example GitLab and Bitbucket. So those websites also host Git repositories. So GitHub is one of the most popular out of them, and it used to host those repository. It provides you with some extra features in it. For example, it will provide you issue reporting, merging, and fork. So there are a lot of features which are associated with Git and uh, which empowers Git. Okay, so this is why this is what GitHub is. So now let's talk about why to create a Git repository or a GitHub repository. So if we talk about a local project, then in the local project you can see there are this much problems. For example, the project will be deleted if you have the project will be lost if you have deleted it from your local machine. You have to maintain manual merging, and you have to do manual merging if you want to collab with other teammates, and there will be not is like it will not be available to different devices at the same time. Fourth, no issue reporting mechanism. So there is no particular issue reporting mechanism if you are working locally on a project. You need to create that issue reporting mechanism, whether you create an Excel sheet or something else. So that's again one bad thing about local repositories or local projects. And another thing is you cannot track the changes in local repositories. So if we talk about GitHub repository at the same time, then GitHub repository will provide you with the tracking of changes. So with that you can easily track your changes. You can easily merge different works by your colleagues. Then you can also access it from anywhere and any device by just logging into github.com, and it will also give you a GUI based interaction with your project. Rather than that, you have a certain issue reporting technique from which you can just report issues, solve them, and you can easily collaborate. So this is why GitHub repository is more preferably useful as compared to other local projects. Okay, so now let's talk about why I'm saying that this is the new resume. The reason behind it is first of all that most of the time, if I talk about 1 decade earlier, then at the time everyone wants to share their hard copy of resume in which they have mentioned this much projects I have developed. Rather than that, if you use GitHub, like most of the companies ask for your GitHub profile, because in your GitHub profile the companies can see what projects you have done at this particular date or time, and what are your contributions. Are you actively programming or contributing? Or if you have contributed to big open source projects, then you know how to collaborate with teammates, how to collaborate with people you have never ever talked with or never ever deal with before. So how to just program these projects. So this is how just by seeing your GitHub profile, anyone can understand about your knowledge and experience. So that's why this is the new resume. And now the time people are started asking about your GitHub profiles in their any job applications and something. So it will in future will become the resume which will in which you just need to send your GitHub profile and you will be either hired or not. Okay, so let's talk about my GitHub profile. So my GitHub profile is not that good, but yeah, I can say like I am contributing to some of the open source projects, and I'm also open sourcing some of my projects as well. So this is my GitHub profile, you can see. So I have created these much of repositories. These are repositories are basically the projects which are available on GitHub. People can easily contribute to those repositories. I have also contributed to these organizations, and I have reported this much percentage of issues. Like out of all of my comments, all of my contributions, this much are the particularly issues, pull requests that I have made, and commits or the code I have written. So you can see from this data, like there's a lot of things you can know about me just by seeing my GitHub profile. So this is why I'm saying GitHub is the new resume. So I think that's all for this video. In the next videos, we'll be talking about how to use Git and Git commands on your local repositories, and then we will also push that repository to GitHub. So there will be a lot of things you will be learning. So I am creating this playlist to help one of my other playlists, that is Flutter application development, because in that playlist I am using Git to like open source my project which I am developing in that repository. So I will be open sourcing that, and if you want to know like how to clone it and how to contribute to it, that's why I am creating this playlist. So I think this video will help you a lot, and in this playlist we will talk completely about Git and GitHub. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.